Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a huge drill for drilling a big giant holes for the foundation to go in. And what's in front of that? An orange forklift bucket truck. And what do we have over here? An excavator taking big scoops of dirt on a big mountain of dirt. Some construction workers wearing hard hats in the hole. A big ditch. There's another excavator back there. Wow, that's a tall auger drill. It's going to be exciting when they use that. Don't forget what that sign says. Construction area, keep out. Danger! A lot of action here. Is that excavator going? Wow.